Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reopen the closed tabs in Edge app on iPhone. Say suppose you have a lot of tabs open and right now you can see there are 3 tabs open, and if you have mistakenly closed one of the tabs, say suppose Browser How, and you want to reopen that tab, what you can do is you can tap on this multi-tab icon at the bottom and go to the recents, and here you would be able to see the recently closed. All you can do is you can simply tap on that particular tab or the page link, and it will open in the new tab. So in this way you can reopen the recently closed tabs. Now if you have closed the tab in past, like not recently, then you can tap on this view full history, where it will display the list of all the tabs that you have visited, all the pages that you have visited in past, and then you can choose from here which tab you want to open, and based on selection the tab will be automatically open. So in this way you can reopen the closed tabs in your Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.